So this is a new recipe we tried. So we shredded up some potatoes. I just dug in there to make sure that they were done, and mixed that with onion and cream of chicken soup and cheese and sour cream. And then we topped it with meatballs. I made 2 pans like this, and it came out wonderful. So to that, I just added a fresh salad with vegetables from our garden. There are even some of those pretty marigolds on there. So fun and fresh. For tonight's dinner, we made little sliders on sourdough buns, and there is an egg on mine. Baked potatoes, baked beans, and a salad. We were also able to pick up some more watermelons, so tonight is our yellow one. Hopefully we start to get some of our own very soon. For breakfast for dinner night, we made sheet pan eggs. They have onions and greens and turkey bacon. We also have sourdough bagels and some watermelon. We whipped up a Mexican skillet tonight. It is rice, taco seasoning, ground beef, corn, black beans, cheese, onions, and then some people will put it on tortillas. Some people eat it plain. Some people might eat it with chips. But we have toppings like tomatoes and lettuce and salsa and all the good stuff, sour cream. So it's a Mexican night here at our house. All the kids are swimming, so I just went ahead and chopped up some canned chicken that we canned from last year's meat birds. Also diced up some greens from the garden. I'm gonna just throw this into a pot. Okay, it's in our pot. I'm just gonna go ahead and add some Raoul's Alfredo that I got when it was on sale at Costco a few months ago. Honestly, that is already looking delicious. Can't wait to put that over some pasta. And here is the finished product. Spaghetti with Alfredo, a salad, and sourdough garlic bread. To finish out the week, we made a loaf of sourdough, took some canned turkey from last year, made gravy out of our own broth, put it over the bread, made some mashed potatoes and some broccoli and beans. And then Bailey surprised us with this ooey gooey apple cake that she used up some apples that were going bad. What a great way to end the day. This week's meal plan is really exciting. Tonight we are doing an unstuffed bell pepper casserole. Probably add a salad with that. Monday, I found some of that black pepper chicken sausage. We're gonna make a stir fry out of that. Tuesday is our breakfast night, so we'll have sourdough French toast, scrambled eggs, and fruit. Wednesday will be taco soup and tortilla chips. Thursday, baked spaghetti, garlic bread, and a salad. And Friday, we're gonna try a bacon cheeseburger pizza with a salad. Tell me what's on your meal plan for this week.